We start with daily chart. Just want to give a quick update. First of all, if you refer to my last analysis, since the price was within this correction, we mentioned we were expecting to get one more drop, and this is what we get. And with the breakout of 1.3, we mentioned we can expect to see the price to drop to 1.16. And even we see there is a breakout of 1.16. How deep it can go? Even we can expect the price drop to 91. But we don't want to see the breakout of the 91, because if the price break the 91, then mostly we can expect even the price to retest 0.660 cent, because at that case we can look for this one as a bigger correction based on daily chart. All right, anyway, now what's the next? Mostly we cannot put this one as a running flat, but if we get any reversal at this point, this is what we're looking for, because most of the chart they have a similar movement. And if we move to forward chart, one things we need to highlight here, because we have been looking for this correction and we get this one, but we want to see whether we can put this one as a third wave, as a B, C, because if we put this low in relative to the previous one, we see we have a divergence. All right, this is what we get. And even here, technically, we cannot call this one as a three wave. We can call it as a three wave, but it's not the ABC. All right. Because if we refer to the indicators, MACD in that case doesn't show us a divergence. How about the another indicator showing me a divergence? I have two different information, but we only refer to this part. Since we have a divergence, we can look for reversal, at least similar to what we have here. That's why if we get any reversal, this is the levels we're looking for. That's mean if we get any reversal, internally made this one turn to flat for one more drop before we get the reversal. All right, there in the long term. That's mean if we get any trade for buy, we will take it. We consider in relative to this. Then we want to see whether there is a breakout of 1.3 or not. If there is a breakout, then we can look for 1.4 and we see whether there is a continuation or not. But if the price, it gives us a reversal similar to what we have here. With DC, there is no continuation, then we should know what where we can expect this one turn to flat for one more drop. And how deep? 0.19, see 0.91, I mean 91 cent. All right, then how about if I move to 1 hour chart? Even based on 1 hour chart, we see we have a divergence. And as well here, then what we are looking for, we are more interested to look for buy. If we get any trade set up for buy, we will take it. The first one is 1.15. We want to see the breakout of 1.153, following by 1.2, following by 1.24. All right, this is the levels we're looking for. That's why we mentioned we get any reversal within this range is maybe in relative to this. Okay, it doesn't mean the price cannot drop some more. Even we can expect for continuation. Even we can look for extension. But if there is a continuation similar to what we have here, any trade is short-term trade based on, or the only thing is we need to trade based on lower time frame. Okay, but what we are more interested to look for buy. Anyway, if we get any reversal, any short move flag, this is how we're going to look for trade and be looking for this levels to see whether the price can break or not. In this case, we just follow the chart. And if I see any update, I will share. Thanks.